Hey students, it's Mr. Halpin. Hey, I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to clear your browsing data. This is really important if you're having trouble taking attendance. Students, we know some of you have been having trouble. And what happens is looks like you take attendance and then it will say server error 500. Well, here's what you need to do to help fix that. You need to go into your settings and you need to clear your browsing data. So the first thing you do is click on the three dots, and then you want to go down to where it says More Tools. When you get to More Tools, you will see right here it says Clear Browsing Data. And when you click Clear Browsing Data, you will have these different options here. And it says time range, last hour, 24 days, 7 days, 4 weeks. You can click all the time. So meaning if you click all time, you shouldn't have that worry anymore. So once you click on all time, then you will go down here, and I don't think my screen shows it because I have it cut off, but then you would go ahead and click clear data. Once you give that a shot, do that and then see if you can take attendance after that.